Hey crew, Philly B is looking to have a little Arrma fun today. We got the Kraton. We got a new construction site here though. I got my ramp as well. I don't know, I gotta make something happen. I got a day off work, man. Thanks for everybody tuning in. Stick around to the end to see the mods I've made to my Kraton. I'm so pumped to be off work today. All right, here we go. Oh, Borrelli, what are you doing? It doesn't get any cleaner. What? Why did I touch the brake there? It's like I froze. Oh, what the F, man? You moron. Let's try that again. Oh, look at that. Even when I mess up, it just takes care of it. I will never part with this RC. I really don't think so. I got it for such a good price. Like, I got no reason to get rid of it. This is awesome. I'm supposed to hit the other terrain, but I'm just kind of hooked on the ramp. All right, this is what I like about being in the dirt. Things don't always work out. First jump, and I had to rig something up just to keep my body on. Holy cow, man. This is not gonna set the tone, I hope, for the day. Where's the cleanest line? I think if I come straight from here. Let's rock! Woo! Haha! That's some decent hang time, man. That's pretty good. And my body mod is holding up. So if any of you guys are watching my videos, you notice I posted on a yeah, that was not bad. That's more what we're looking for. I put a rear Trio bulkhead, aluminum bulkhead on the back, and I've barely ran it since. Let's rock, baby. Come on, man. Okay. Hit me right in the head. Let's go. Oh, almost a natural. I need some more big sends here. I got the itch. It's just hard to put together. Let's go, baby. Yeah! That's a hoot. Big double. That's funny because last time I had the Kraton out, I thought that the SLT was giving me this lag, you know? And I was like, oh, I don't know, should I spend the money on a new radio? But honestly, for RTR radio, this thing's feeling really responsive today. I can't really complain about the latency here. I was looking at one of those rugged radios. I used one once only when I was at Aldo Loyal's place, and I just thought that thing, it was just so responsive compared to what I had going on. So ever since I was there, by the way, please check out our videos. I did get to bash with Aldo Loyal if you're newer to the channel, but we had a freaking blast. Check out the videos. He's got two, I got two. I like the other angle better, but I'm gonna give you something a little different here. Oh, but I can hit it. And I gotta walk over to go get it. Oh, bouncing around. This is harder than it looks. I feel like my Kraton's tracking straight, but I'm having a freaking blast. And I'm racing after today. Today's an RC day. Oh, bouncing around. All right, let's pull the lid off. Man, this thing's hurting. BLX 185 stock system. I'm not even running a fan on the motor right now. Seems to hold up pretty good. It's pretty warm today. Amazon servo. Integy knuckles. Integy? I think so. Stock front bulkhead. Integy towers, which the front's been holding up really well. The rear blows, not gonna lie to you. We have Trio bulkhead. Oh, there we go. First real run on it and no issues, no clicking. I did a video on how I shimmed mine, so no complaints there. They were cheap a little while back on Amazon in Canada. And I think the grunt of the modifications here are the M2C chassis braces, front and rear. Ever since I put them on, I am not bending the frame at all, and also the wing support. These three, I made a video putting them on too, so really happy with those mods. Otherwise, not a big dollar rig. Bought it used, and I've been beating her up. We got 3 DRC on the tail end. The wing mount, no complaints. It's my first one. So thanks for sticking around, everybody. It was a joy.